I've been told by multiple people on trading desks that this is the arb of the century. This thing, trying to figure out who's going to win this and weighing all the odds. Again, it's coming down to two players.
Now, you wrote about Verisant, right? I think that's how you call it, right?
All these crazy...
And the IPO that's now down
let's just unpack this a little bit. So Warner Brothers keeps saying it likes the Netflix deal.
Yep.
The Netflix deal is priced in a funky way. It's $27.75 a share, cash stock, and it pushes the value above the $30 all cash that Paramount Skydance is offering by adding in something called the equity stub, which is the spinoff of its cable properties planned for sometime later this year. That's CNN, Discovery, TNT. They think they can get at least $3 a share. Now, the people at Paramount Skydance, the Ellisons, Larry, David Ellison is the independent movie producer. Larry is the famed co-founder of Oracle, and Redbird Capital, run by a really smart investment banker named Jerry Cardinale, who knows balance sheets and math better than anybody. They say, nah. With all due respect, this new spinoff has got $15 billion of debt. Look at the comparable. The comparable is what happened earlier this week in Versant. Versant's a new company created by Comcast, the spinoff of its cable companies, right? And which
is MSNBC,
CNBC,
sorry, CNBC,
with almost no debt,
right?
Negligible,
right?
And it's tanking every day. It was down last I looked, it was down another 7%, I'm sure. I mean, it's been down like 20+% since they came public. And, I talked to Mario Gabelli.
So now there's a mark on.
Well, I talked to Mario Gabelli.
Right? There's a public mark on it.
Mario Gabelli said there's a lot of technical factors in the sell-off, but he doesn't like the Netflix deal because it's too complicated, too much cash and stock. And I think everybody and their uncle is trying to bet on this. Will investors, there's a tender date that Paramount Skydance set. I think it's January 21 for investors to, join, basically vote their shares to them. Yep. Whether they do that or not, I can't tell you. But, the Paramount Skydance people say, the numbers just don't add up.